Hello, I'm Adam with Wickstrom Lincoln of Barrington, and today I'll be going over features on the 2020 Lincoln Navigator. Let's go over Lincoln's Copilot 360 and Copilot 360 Plus. This is Lincoln's driver assist technologies. Whether it's to keep you aware or at ease, Lincoln's driver assist technologies are focused on one thing: a better journey. To view a 360-degree aerial view of your vehicle, simply press the camera button below your radio. Once pressed, you will see an easy-to-view screen displaying your vehicle's surroundings. You may also enlarge the view by pressing the icons in the top left for a full screen view of the front camera or a split 180-degree view. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.